Good evening, students. This is physics session today. Now, today I am going to start the topic light, reflection, and refraction. In earlier classes, you have studied about reflection of light. Now, there are two laws of reflection of light. Reflection of light. There are two laws. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection second law is incident ray normal to the mirror at the point of incidence and reflected ray all lie in the same plane. Now there are two laws. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Number two, incident ray normal to the mirror at the point of incidence and reflected ray all lie in the same plane. Now I will discuss some properties of image formed by plane mirror. Properties of image formed by plane mirror. What are the properties? Number one, the image is virtual and erect. Image is virtual and erect. Virtual means the image which can't be obtained on the screen, and erect means upright. Number two, the size of image is same as size of object. Okay. Next property is the distance of object, the distance of image from the mirror is equal to distance of object from the mirror. Okay, these are the properties, number one. And one more property, the image is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means just like if you keep the letter B in front of the mirror, its image will be like this. So this is object and this is image. So this is lateral inversion of image. So image is laterally inverted. So there are four properties. The image is virtual and erect. The size of image is same as size of object. The distance of image from the mirror is equal to distance of object from the mirror. And last point is the image is laterally inverted. Now you all note it. Now the topic is spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. What is a spherical mirror? It is a part of hollow sphere whose one surface is made reflecting. Okay. The spherical mirror is a part of hollow sphere whose one surface is made reflecting. The spherical mirror may be concave mirror, a spherical mirror. What is concave mirror? A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inwards. A spherical mirror is a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inward is called concave mirror. Okay. You can see with the help of diagram. This is concave mirror because this surface is reflecting and it is curved inward, so it is concave mirror. And next, spherical mirror may be convex mirror, it is another type. Convex mirror, what is convex mirror? A spherical mirror, it is a spherical mirror, whose reflecting surface is curved outwards. What is a convex mirror? It is a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outwards. You can see it in the diagram. This is polished from this side. It is curved and curve is outward. It is reflecting surface and it is outward, so it is convex mirror. So we have discussed here concave mirror and convex mirror. Before we go further, we will discuss some important terminologies related to spherical mirrors. Now you all note it, and we will discuss now some important terminologies which are related to spherical mirrors. Now the term related to spherical mirror, it is pole. What is pole? You can see it is concave mirror. The center point of reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is called pole. The center of reflecting surface of spherical mirror is called pole. It is denoted by the letter P. Pole is denoted by P. And next term is center of curvature. Center of curvature. What is center of curvature? You can see here. As you know, a spherical mirror is a part of hollow sphere. So for the sphere it is center, but for this portion which is a spherical mirror, this point is called center of curvature. So what is center of curvature? It is the center of sphere from which spherical mirror forms a part. Okay. So center of curvature means it is the center of sphere from which spherical mirror forms a part. It is denoted by letter C. Next term is radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. What is radius of curvature? It is the radius of hollow sphere from which spherical mirror forms a part. Radius of curvature is the radius of hollow sphere from which spherical mirror forms a part, and it is denoted by the letter R. Next term is principal axis. What is principal axis? Suppose this is concave mirror, and so this is pole. So we can draw an imaginary line which joins center of curvature and pole. So this imaginary line which joins center of curvature and pole is called principal axis. So it is an imaginary line that joins center of curvature and pole. So in this case, this line is called principal axis. So principal axis means it is imaginary line that joins center of curvature and pole. Now you all note it, and there is one more term. And it is last term related to spherical mirror. It is principal focus. So what is principal focus? Now you can see this is concave mirror, this is pole, this is center of curvature, these are the rays of light parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, they meet at a point What is principal focus? The rays of light parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, they meet at a point. Where is this point? This point is somewhere on the principal axis. So, after reflection, they meet at a point. This point is called principal focus of concave mirror. So, you can define in this way: the rays of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection they meet at a point on the principal axis. This point is called principal focus of concave mirror. Okay, so you can again see these are the rays of light, and these rays of light running parallel to the principal axis. After reflection from this mirror, they meet at a point on the principal axis. This point is called principal focus of concave mirror, and it is denoted by letter F. Now, principal focus of convex mirror. What is principal focus of convex mirror? Now you can see in this diagram. This is convex mirror. It is pole. It is center of curvature. These are the rays of light parallel to the principal axis falling on the convex mirror. After reflection, after reflection, they appear to come from a point on the principal axis. These are reflected rays. You can see these are rays of light running parallel to the principal axis, falling on the convex mirror, and after reflection they appear, all these, you can say 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can see all these rays appear to come from this point on the principal axis, and this point is called principal focus of convex mirror. So again I repeat, the rays of light parallel to the principal axis, after reflection they appear to come from a point on the principal axis. This point is called principal focus of convex mirror. Now the last point is focal length. Focal length. What is focal length? You can see here, this is pole and this is principal focus. So the distance between pole and focus, the distance between pole and principal focus is called focal length, and it is denoted by F. So you can write it. The distance between pole and focus is called focal length, and it is denoted by the letter F. Okay. Now all these terms are completed now. Okay, students. Thank you.